What's up everybody, my name's Scott, and in this video I'm going to turn half of my garage into a YouTube studio. So stick around if you want to see how to do the same. Right now this half of the garage basically has my small workbench, a tool chest, and some tools on the side. No insulation in the roof, there's no sheeting in the ceiling, and there's very minimal lighting. So the first things I've got to address is I've got to get insulation in the walls and I've got to get wall board up. Before I can do all that, I've got to take all of this stuff and get it moved out. Because of the camera I use to do my videos, I have to have very good lighting, otherwise the video will come out like this where it's really grainy and hard to see. So this project is basically in an effort to be able to do better videos in the winter time when there's not a lot of natural light. One of the major issues I've had with this workbench, or limitations of it, is when I built it, I fastened it directly to the structure. So there's no like pulling this workbench out or moving it. It's been in this corner for the last 4.5 years, and so I don't think I'll ever build another workbench like this, completely fastened to the wall. It served its purpose when I did it, but for 4 more 2x4s, I could have had something that I could move around. So most of the workbenches I build now are like the one I did a video on a couple weeks ago. So this next little piece of video, I'm putting up another shed wall. That way I have storage space out in the shed for all this stuff in the garage that I need to move. Thanks for watching the video. The scope of this project really grew from what it was originally supposed to be. I had originally anticipated doing half the garage, and I ended up halfway through the project deciding it made more sense just to do the whole thing, so it's taken a lot longer than expected. But when I'm done, I should have a really good spot that's reasonably climate controlled and really good lights to make videos, so I'm really hoping that it helps boost the quality of my videos. So thanks for sticking around. Hit the like and the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel.